I'm at a different location today, guys. There they go, guys. They're on the way to Hugo today. I heard them coming. I might as well just come out and meet my good old friends here on the Kiamichi Railroad. There goes my midday friends. I missed my other friends go through last night while I was there, but I didn't get to film it as much. So, guys, hope y'all enjoy this. Hope you enjoy the daytime film I got here on the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Hope y'all enjoy. This is a nice, pretty day after a nice, good rain we had at 3 o'clock this morning. But right now, that's a pretty 3-axle unit engine going by SD40 fleet. But guys, there they go, guys. They're on the way to Hugo. Sometime I'll get the film going to Hugo someday. Going from Hugo and just catching them going to Valiant on the daytime trip, going this direction. But guys, all right, guys. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs down, guys. Please subscribe, link, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Thanks for watching KRR. And thanks for watching Genesee and Wyoming's Railroads, guys. Alright, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Railroad, owned by the Genesee and Wyoming Corporation, guys. Big fan of the Genesee and Wyoming, and mostly a big fan of the Kiamichi Railroad, which is owned by the Genesee and Wyoming, and which someday I'll be able to film a bunch of Genesee and Wyoming railroads they have bought out with the logo on the different engines, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please please rate and comment, subscribe. Give me good comments. Maybe sometime I'll do a fishing channel. A fishing channel. I'll be fishing. I had a good time fishing yesterday before the rain got in. I heard thunder in the background. It started getting dark, so I had to work my way back down the creek, going upstream. I caught about 7 bass out of it. Nice, beautiful color bass. But alright, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Marshall out. Thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines. Bye now. Catch y'all next time.